Upgrading your car's headlights is one of the easiest and most impactful ways to improve visibility and safety on the road, especially for night driving. However, with so many options on the market, it can be tough to figure out which headlight bulbs are the best fit for your car and driving needs. In this video, we'll go over the top 5 headlight bulbs that deliver superior performance in terms of brightness, durability, and ease of installation. Let's explore our top picks. Kicking off our list at number 1, Sylvania SilverStar Ultra. The Sylvania SilverStar Ultra is one of the brightest halogen bulbs available on the market, designed to enhance visibility and clarity on the road. It's known for producing a wider, brighter light compared to standard halogen bulbs, offering better contrast for improved nighttime driving. If you're looking to boost your car's lighting performance without switching to LEDs, this is an excellent option. Key features: the Sylvania SilverStar Ultra provides up to 50% brighter light than standard halogen bulbs, making it ideal for low light conditions. It also has a high beam output that reaches further down the road, offering enhanced visibility at night. Additionally, these bulbs are engineered to provide a wider light, which can help reduce eye strain during extended night driving. Benefits and usage: the brighter, wider light provided by the SilverStar Ultra improves overall road visibility and helps drivers spot hazards or road signs more quickly. The increased clarity also enhances depth perception, allowing for safer night driving. These bulbs are perfect for those who frequently drive on poorly lit roads or in rural areas. Usability: Sylvania SilverStar Ultra bulbs are easy to install, fitting into most standard headlight housings without the need for additional modifications. They are compatible with a wide range of vehicles, making them a convenient choice for many drivers. Their increased brightness doesn't require any special tools or wiring adjustments. Durability: while the SilverStar Ultra provides superior brightness, the increased power output means that these bulbs may have a slightly shorter lifespan compared to standard halogen bulbs. However, Sylvania's reputation for quality ensures that even with frequent use, these bulbs will still last for a considerable amount of time, offering great value for the level of performance. In the second spot, we have Headlight H11 bulb. The Headlight H11 bulb is a premium halogen headlight designed for drivers seeking excellent performance at a reasonable price. Known for its reliability and quality, the H7 is a popular option among car enthusiasts and professional drivers alike. It's ideal for those looking to replace their stock bulbs with something that offers better performance and longer lifespan without going over budget. Key features: the Headlight H7 bulb offers an optimal blend of brightness and longevity, providing clear and consistent illumination for both low and high beams. It features a precision design that enhances light distribution, ensuring even coverage on the road. The H7 also delivers a crisp, white light, which improves night driving visibility. Benefits and usage: the Headlight H7 is perfect for daily commuters who want reliable performance without breaking the bank. Its well-balanced brightness enhances road visibility, making it easier to see road markings and obstacles in low-light conditions. The H7 also excels in providing an even light pattern, reducing the occurrence of dark spots or glare for oncoming drivers. Usability: installation is straightforward with the Headlight H7 bulb, and it fits most standard vehicle models. The plug-and-play design ensures that drivers can easily replace their existing bulbs without needing professional assistance. It's a great option for those who want a hassle-free upgrade to their car's lighting system. Durability: one of the H7's standout qualities is its durability. Piaa is known for producing high-quality automotive lighting, and the H7 bulb is no exception. It's designed to withstand the rigors of daily driving, including frequent use in harsh weather conditions, making it a long-lasting solution for enhanced visibility. Coming in at number 3 is the GE Nighthawk Platinum. The GE Nighthawk Platinum is a high-performance halogen bulb designed for drivers who demand maximum brightness and clarity. These bulbs are engineered to produce significantly more light than standard halogens, providing a broader and longer beam that improves nighttime visibility. The Nighthawk Platinum is ideal for those looking for a simple upgrade with noticeable results. Key features: the GE Nighthawk Platinum offers up to 90% more light compared to standard halogen bulbs, making it one of the brightest options in the halogen category. It features an enhanced beam pattern that extends further down the road, allowing drivers to see further and wider. The bright white light produced by these bulbs closely mimics daylight, improving color recognition and reducing eye fatigue. Benefits and usage. The Nighthawk Platinum bulbs are perfect for drivers who frequently drive at night or in low visibility conditions. The improved beam reach and width make it easier to spot hazards or road signs early, ensuring a safer driving experience. The bright white light also enhances contrast, making it easier to distinguish objects on the road. Usability. Installing the GE Nighthawk Platinum is a simple process thanks to its standard halogen design. These bulbs fit most vehicles and don't require any modifications or special equipment for installation. The plug-and-play functionality makes them a convenient choice for drivers looking to upgrade their headlights quickly. Durability. While the Nighthawk Platinum offers excellent brightness, the increased light output may reduce the lifespan of the bulb slightly compared to standard options. However, the quality of GE's design and manufacturing ensures that these bulbs still offer a respectable lifespan, making them a reliable choice for everyday driving. Taking our fourth spot is Sealight H11 LED Bulbs. The Sealight H11 LED bulbs offer a significant upgrade for drivers looking to switch from traditional halogen to LED technology. These bulbs provide a brighter and more energy-efficient lighting solution, delivering crisp, white light with enhanced clarity. Sealight is known for producing high-quality automotive LEDs, and the H11 bulbs are a top choice for those seeking a modern lighting system. Key features. The Sealight H11 LED bulbs produce up to 200% more brightness than standard halogen bulbs, offering superior visibility in all driving conditions. They feature an advanced heat dissipation system to ensure long-lasting performance, even with extended use. The bulbs also have a focused beam pattern that reduces glare for oncoming traffic, ensuring safer night driving. Benefits and usage. With their powerful brightness and energy efficiency, the Sealight H11 LED bulbs are ideal for drivers who want the best of both worlds, enhanced visibility and longer lifespan. The crisp white light closely mimics natural daylight, making it easier to see objects on the road. These bulbs are perfect for night driving, rural roads, and even off-road adventures. Usability. Installation is quick and easy with the Sealight H11 LED bulbs, thanks to their plug-and-play design. They fit into most vehicle models without the need for additional wiring or modifications. LED technology also means these bulbs consume less power, making them more energy efficient and compatible with most electrical systems. Durability. LED bulbs are known for their longevity, and the Sealight H11 is no exception. These bulbs are designed to last up to 30,000 hours, significantly outlasting traditional halogen bulbs. The advanced heat dissipation system ensures that the bulbs remain cool, preventing premature wear and tear, even during long nighttime drives. And finally, at number 5, we have Piaa Xtreme White Plus. The Piaa Xtreme White Plus is a premium halogen bulb designed for drivers who want to improve their vehicle's lighting performance without switching to LED or HID systems. These bulbs offer a bright, white light that enhances nighttime visibility and gives your vehicle a modern, stylish look. Piaa is known for its high-quality automotive lighting, and the Xtreme White Plus is a standout product in their lineup. Key features. The Piaa Xtreme White Plus bulbs provide up to 4000 K color temperature, delivering a bright white light that closely mimics natural daylight. They are engineered with a special blue top coat to enhance contrast and depth perception. The bulbs also feature advanced gas mixtures for increased light output without compromising durability. Benefits and usage. The Piaa Xtreme White Plus bulbs are perfect for drivers who want to improve their car's appearance and lighting performance simultaneously. The white light improves road visibility, making it easier to see hazards, pedestrians, and other vehicles at night. The stylish look also adds a modern touch to any vehicle, making these bulbs a great choice for car enthusiasts. Usability. Installing the Piaa Xtreme White Plus bulbs is easy, as they fit most standard headlight housings. These bulbs offer a significant upgrade in terms of both brightness and style, without requiring any complicated installation steps. They're compatible with a wide range of vehicles, making them a versatile choice for most drivers. Durability. Piaa bulbs are known for their high quality and durability, and the Xtreme White Plus is no different. The bulbs are designed to withstand the demands of daily driving, providing long-lasting performance even in harsh weather conditions. The advanced gas mixture also ensures a longer lifespan, making them a reliable and stylish choice for your vehicle. Upgrading your car's headlights can greatly improve your driving experience, especially at night. Whether you're looking for enhanced brightness, better visibility, or longer-lasting performance, each of the headlight bulbs we reviewed offers something unique. From the powerful Sylvania SilverStar Ultra to the long-lasting Sealight H11 LED bulbs, there's a solution for every driver's needs. Thanks for watching, and remember to choose the headlight bulbs that suit your driving conditions best. Safe driving!